Hello, everybody. As you know, I'm the host of StopStrugglingNow.com, and I want to thank you because you are a member of the channel. So I want to thank you so much for your support over the days, over the months, over the years for some of you. And I humbly appreciate it, as I always say, because there's nothing like having financial support behind you, especially with what YouTube does. Now, let's get into it, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a little bit longer than normal because along with the thank you, because the 1 or 2 videos per month. But think about this. If the Ukraine war ends, the Ukrainian-Russian conflict ends, what are you going to do financially? Does that mean anything to you? Can you make some moves? Well, yes, you can, because that would mean the markets are going to start rising almost across the board. So ETFs might be a good thing. An index fund might be a good thing. One that handles the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ separately or all together, or the top 100 biggest companies. They're all gonna benefit from any type of reduction or an agreement to end the Ukraine-Russian conflict. Now, what if the Ukraine-Russian conflict continues? Well, then you still go accordingly to plan. Because if it continues, you know oil is going to be needed. You also know the cost of goods and services are going to continue to rise. So anything like, I will say, just staples, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all these guys are still going to be raking in profits. So these are some of the things that you might want to consider. When you start thinking of real estate, nothing like a 0.25% increase in rates. That is so low, it's ridiculous. So some of those things you have to consider, right? So therefore, don't panic yet. We don't have to panic about any investments. Just know that assets are going to increase in price. The ones that pay you, those are the assets I'm talking about. So that's the short version this time. And remember, if you have anything you ever want to talk about on any of the live streams, if you ever want to join me on any of the live streams, you guys always have the link under the community tab on the YouTube channel. So thank you so much once again for your support. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.